water container. This will be fixed here. Okay, this is double shot filter and this one is single shot filter. So I'll change it to single shot filter. Mesh this hole, then it will come out, and fix this one. Okay, this is ground coffee. And then we need to fix it here. Okay, so before first use you need to purge it. Okay, done. Power on. Espresso, Americano, express, cool and steam. So now we're going to make espresso. If you want a 2 cup, you have to press it for 3 to 4 seconds. For single cup, press 1. For 2 cups, keep it pressed for 3 to 4 seconds, then leave it. ये हो गई एस्प्रेसो रेडी. चलो, आई विल एंजॉय इट. बाय बाय.